Hi everybody, welcome to Friday Feature. Now, I mentioned on my tips video to you that I'm announcing a sale for this weekend. I am in really a cleaning mood, so this is really going to be my clean out sale where I'm actually giving you guys opportunity to buy some of the products that's really last of ranges that I do have, and I'm giving it to you at excellent prices. As soon as I get into this cleaning mode, I'm telling you, I just mark it down and you are going to get some of the products that is really below cost as well. So you've got to go to my website schuurverdesigns.co.za and go and have a look at what is on offer there. Now, first off, I'm going to talk about fabrics. I've put some of my fabrics on sale. Now, you will find on the list there or in the online store, you're going to see I've got my linens on sale. The linens are all pre-cut already to certain lengths, but they are way below cost price. So there's a huge saving for you there. So go look at those linens that I've put on offer there. Then the other fabric that I've put with the linen for now is also this fabric from my twin set that I've made. If you watched my tips video this week, I showed you how I actually sew with this fabric. So I've got this symphony lace and I've also got this Berkshire, it's called Berkshire, let me just look at that name, Berkshire Lycra. So both of these are on offer. I don't have a lot left, and because it's really a clean out sale, I'm not going to be ordering in some of these. So if it's sold out, it is sold out. Now these ones were usually 100 Rand. I've marked them down for you to 50 Rand. Huge saving on these two, so have a look at that. Then on the other goodies that I decided to mark down, and it is purely because it is, again, like I said, I've only got on some of the items maybe 3s left, and I'm doing this because I'm making space for new stock that's coming from my international supplier towards the end of the month. So I wanted to make sure that we've got space for it. So I don't have it here to show, but if you go look again online, you're going to see all the stencils that I've marked down as well. Now the stencils is really lovely if we are working on our fabrics. I've had some ladies that actually do cake decorating. They've bought the stencils for that. Again, also, if you've got any paper crafts, if you are doing art journaling, anything like that, stencils is perfect to use with those crafts. So all of them also huge discounts on that. And because I've marked down my stencils, I decided to just put a couple. I didn't put all of my deco foils on sale, but I did a little bundle or just a couple of this bundle, and it's the deco foils where you've got assorted foils. You've got 8 colors, 2 of each, and also the deco foil liquid adhesive. Again, perfect for our fabrics. You can use it on the fabric. And then again, if you're doing card making, any other crafts, again, perfect for those crafts as well. Another thing, because I did the stencils, I thought I'm trying to build little bundles for you so that you can shop and put stuff together. I've still got some of these books. It's called Simply Fabulous Fabric. Now this is a great book for you if you're going to get stencils and you've got fabric paints in that. There's some beautiful ideas. I'll show you just 1 or 2 of the pages. I'm just browsing through here, but again, wonderful ideas to actually decorate your plainer fabrics and just get something beautiful for your house. Even some of those ideas, again, put it onto t-shirts or anything like that. Then also on the Pellon range, I've put the fusible interfacing. Now this one is 38 centimeters by 2.7 meters. Now this is again perfect for, it's a lightweight facing, perfect again for quilts, craft projects. It says collars, cuffs, blouses, dresses, anything like that. And it works lovely with our lightweight fabrics as well. So I think also only about 3 left of these ones. So there we go. Then another goodie that I've put on the sale for you is this hemline sewing. It's a sewing gift set. So spoil yourself with this. And this is really a beautiful set. I'm going to show you because this is mine that I've taken. We've got a lovely little scissor for our threads, and I'm going to do that. I think it's better if I put photos for you, but we've got the scissors. We've got this beautiful little heart pendant, and it's got your thread cutting blades at the bottom as well. So I'm going to put this on one of my necklaces. It's got a thimble. It's all like an antique. There it goes. I'll get it now. It's like a little antique silver that you've got on that. It's got a little bottle with needles in it, and then it's got the retractable measuring tape, and it's got your centimeters and your inches on there. And I love these retractable tapes because I always put them in my handbag if I go shopping and I quickly want to measure something, especially, you know what, when we're stealing with the eye and we want to try and copy a design in one of the shops. This is perfect to use then as well. So that is what is in that little sewing gift set. Then I've also got still a couple left on the Riley Blake measuring tapes, also retractable measuring tape. It's covered in fabric, and also just a couple left of those ones. Then if we look at my other goodies, I decided let's do a couple of sewing machine goodies for you as well. So I've got 2 left of the ruffler foot, presser foot. Now this is not going to work with your Benina machines. This will work with your Bennett's, your Singers, you know, all your other low shank sewing machines on the market. So this is really a generic foot that will fit those machines. So look at that one for yourself. And then I love these LED little lights. I've put that one in my Bennett, the Benina 1008, and it is such a nice bright light, and it also lasts a lot longer. Now with this one, it comes in the screw in and a bayonet. So before you order it, please make sure that you know if your machine needs a screw in or a bayonet. Also lovely because a lot of our overlockers have got the normal globe, which gives us that little bit of a dimmed yellowy light. With this one, it's really a nice clear light. So if we sew at night, we've got a nice bright light there. I've still got some of this. It's from the website It's So Emma, and it is a brush and a cloth set to clean out your machine. And what I love about this microfiber cloth, perfect for us that's got our computerized machines and we've got the touch screen, it cleans it beautifully. And then we've also got 2 of the smaller brushes, and I just want to show you this. And what these brushes, you can actually bend a little bit. So this one, the longer one, is perfect for getting into the back behind my bobbin system as well. So I think, guys, I think there's only 4 or 5 of this left. So that I've put on for you. And then something that I use all the time, but I thought let's put this on for you guys. I didn't just want to do you know, fabrics for this week. I really wanted to give you a little bit of a variety. This is the Gypsy Quilter Sensational Sip and Snip. Now I've got mine on my table. It is permanently there. When I design my patterns, all those little pieces of offcuts, I just put it into this little bag. And look at the photo. I'm sharing a photo with you. It's actually made so you can put your cup in there, but I've got a little container here with my pens and my scissors, everything that I need. And in the bag itself, it's also got a couple of pockets. I've got my cleaning brush for my machine, I've got my measuring gauge, and I've got my unpicker in there as well. So perfect to have all the goodies that you use all the time in one spot. And then some of the others, and I'm just showing you some of the stuff. There's really a lot more that I've added on the website, but you'll have to go and have a look. Another item was the Clover adjustable ring thimble with a plate. So I've also put a couple of this for us on the sale. And this is really a lovely item to have in your sewing box as well. And then the last item I wanted to show you was the Tulip Pink Project Journal. Now this is a Quilters Project Journal. And what I love about this Tulip Pink one, it's actually got some glitter in this cover, so we've got glitter moving around in there. And then on the inside, it is really a designing journal because you've got your little blocks. So if you are going to design any quilt blocks, anything like that, you can use this. I also use it for when I'm thinking of ideas and I just want to do a quick sketch of something that I saw as well. So I will do it there as well. So it will tell you, for instance, on the top of the page, the project idea, your title of the project. So really a nice little designing journal that you can also look at. Again, also, I think limited, maybe about 4. That's all that's left there. So these are some of the goodies now that I decided to put on, and some of them are really just spoils. It's not that I need to clear them, especially my goodies that's coming from my international suppliers. But I thought let's just make it fun for you so that if you are really not wanting just fabric, you can add a couple of other goodies as well. Now I'm going to be trying to put together little specials for us every 2 weeks, which I'll do on the Friday feature. Sometimes it will be a sale, sometimes it will be in the form of a little kit if I do find that some of my suppliers, maybe some lovely fabrics, anything like that, any ideas that I'm coming up with. So I'll see what I can share with you on the Friday featured, and also just to update you, you know, what's happening on my side in the shop. It is an online store mainly now. I still do get my customers that do come through, but because it's mainly online, it's lovely for you to also see what is available. You don't always know exactly what I have in the shop as well. So all I'm going to say, guys, go to the website, go look at what's on sale, and just have some fun while you're busy buying online. A lot of the items, really, it's limited stock that's there. So if you are wanting something, go and put it in your basket. Don't wait till Monday to pop in here, because I do get sometimes people pop in quickly on a Monday morning and they're looking for stuff and it's already sold out online. So make sure that you're not going to lose out on any of these items. So until next week, when I'm going to be sharing another tips video with you on Tuesday Tips, you guys must have a lovely weekend. And if you're going to be sewing or making anything this weekend, just enjoy it, relax, and I'll speak to you again next week.